It's him! The one that was worth 2,000 choppers!
Get him.
He's over there! Let's make some choppers, doggy!
I thought you were dead, you old creep.
Ha! I found you, desert lamb. You chewed my hand. Now you are one of us. But now you have a piece of me inside you. We're blood brothers now.
You tried to eat me first! Get away from me!
I can just let you rot here forever.
Okay! Okay! What do you want from me?
Clean way of sacred redemption. The holy purifier. A lost artifact left by our Lord that cleans all the flesh in the wastes. It's true! I have the map God gave me in a moment of divine indulgence.
What? This sounds like nonsense!
Okay, old fuck. I will help you find your artifact.
Good, my lamb boy. We will save this dry land together.